Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I told her mom that I blow soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I been so real, I'm back to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate but like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back.
Yeah, the number plate was held on with just sticky tape, but now it's also held on with self-tapping screws just to give it a bit more support, get this thing a bit closer to finished. It's not looking bad now. It's getting there slowly, very slowly. Got the wheels on it now. Exhaust. The rear plate's all on now. Still got all this to clean up. And also got to wire in a horn because this doesn't work because the previous owner was an idiot and was running an aftermarket steering wheel with no horn and a dodgy MOT, so gonna have to try and fix that. But yeah, it's all coming along just very slowly. So yeah. So originally I was having trouble with these wipers. This one, the little bearing inside there, was just spinning and it was becoming a big problem. Without the wipers, you can't pass the MOT, can't get down the road. So I fixed those up now. Now they all work. Still need to sort out the wheels because currently it's so low that it doesn't get on even that little tiny ramp over there, which isn't very good. So we need to get that all sorted out, and then yeah, once we got the horn in as well, be ready for its MOT and it can go on the road again. So there it is, all shined up, and it looks really nice. As you can see, it's nice and reflective. I think it looks very good for the age of the car and it being sat in a barn for 7 years or whatever. It's definitely not perfect, but it's not half bad. There's still some imperfections in the paint, such as there, but overall, I'm quite happy with it. And yeah, the car is very nearly done now. I did manage to accidentally scrub off the colours on the badge, but I don't really think it's a big deal, they're not that expensive. So yeah,